15, Chuck 1, letter 5, letter 6 on District 3 are responding to 150 New Park Avenue, 150 New Park Avenue, smoke coming from the building there. That's the old typewriter building, Royal Typewriter. That's 11-8-15, Chuck 1, letter 5, letter 6 on District 3, responding to 150 New Park Avenue, 150 New Park Avenue for smoke coming from the building, from the Royal Typewriter building, Cross Street, Francis Court, and Kiwi Street.
We're 10-2, we have heavy smoke showing.
10-4-11 is 10-2, heavy smoke showing.
This is a 10-3. We have smoke coming out of about 9 windows on the 2nd floor and 3rd floor.
District 3, you got 3 engines, 2 ladders, and a tug. Do you need anything else?
Not yet.
Okay, advice.
B, charge it.
Come up here.
11B, charge the hydrant.
3A to fire alarm.
Go ahead.
Orders to Chief Moreau, 112 for 150 New Park Avenue. Tell the companies to stage at New Park and Francis.
Coming right up.
Engine 8 bumper, charge it 2.5.
Ladder 5 to Royal Command.
Go ladder 5.
She's broken through, have heavy fire shots in the third. 10-4. Strictly defensive. Oh! New Park Command, the fire alarm.
Go ahead.
Mercedes, tell them companies when they come in, they can locate their apparatus at New Park and Francis, and then have everybody report to the command post, please, at Francis and Francis Court.
10-4. 1, letter 2 on District 1 are responding to 150 New Park Avenue, 150 New Park Avenue, the Royal Typewriter building for 112. That's engine 5, engine 9, engine 1, letter 2 on District 1. Responding to 150 New Park Avenue, 150 New Park Avenue, the Royal Typewriter building for 112. Companies responding on the 112, you're going to be staging on New Park Avenue, Francis Court. Staging on New Park Avenue, Francis Court, and from there you'll be reporting to your command.
District 2 in here.
10-4.
District 3 to engine 5.
Engine 5.
Hey, Bob, if you can, come down Francis Avenue. You can have a tight squeeze at the corner of Hamilton, but then come down a little ways, there'll be a hydrant. Locate at that hydrant for now, and then, you know, leave your driver up there and then come down, okay?
10-4.
New Park Command to fire alarm.
Go ahead.
Orders to Chief Moreau at 3-3.
10-4. District 2.
District 2.
You on your way in here?
I'm on my way to headquarters.
Oh, can you come in here, please? I'm getting another box. I don't have too many guys available right now, and they requested at 3-3.
Shift to 3-3 and then let me know what the box is.
Engine 1 is 10-2.
10-4.
District 1.
Engine 14, engine 10, and letter 4. Start up to 150, no Park Avenue. That's 150 No Park Avenue for a third alarm fire. That's engine 14, engine 10, and letter 4. Also engine 2, I gotta get them in the house. For a third alarm fire, 150 No Park Avenue.
District 3 to District 1. Hey, Mike, I need some lines on this side, down in the Francis Court here. 10-4.
1410 and letter 4. Can I get a 10-4, please?
District 1 fire alarm.
Oh, District 1.
District 1 is 10-2. Put East and West Hartford on alert, please.
Engine 5, 10-2.
10-4-5, letter 4.
Ladder 4 is responding at 150 New Park.
Engine 1 to 1 pump. Where to grab that hydrant? 3A to 5. Just leave your driver down there and come up here for now, okay? Therefore, we're at the hydrant. We're coming in now. Yeah, just in case we need it, Bobby. Just leave him down here. Just you guys come up for now. Okay, we're on our way up. Engine 10 to 3A. Check on the ladder 2.
Ladder 2.
You got a tower?
3-2.
What's your entrance? Which route you coming up?
We're on New Park Avenue now, next door, Francis Court.
Take him right down in the front of the building.
4.
Ladder 5 to Royal Command. Go ladder 5. Heavy fire coming out of the middle of the building on the south side of the north wing, right behind where you're working in front. 10-4.
Alarm 9's 10-2. 10-2 is at engine 5. Engine 10 a fire alarm.
Exit 5 to 5A. Jimmy Land.
10-4.
District 3 and District 1 be advised. Engine 2 is also responding to the third alarm fire.
Tack 1 B to ladder 6.
Ladder 4 to New Park, command, you have instructions for ladder 4.
Ladder 4, your location.
Just coming out of New Park Avenue.
41's 10-2, dispatcher.
Go ahead, unit.
41's 10-2.
10-4.
Ladder 4 to New Park, command.
Go ladder 4.
Last night when we were here, we were down and you can get between the building and on the railroad tracks from Hamilton Street. You want us on the railroad tracks or where?
Now report to District 1, in front of the building.
10-4.
5A to 5B, charge 5. Fine. 10-4.
Ladder 4, 10-2. Both in at 10-2 station.
Charge to 2.5. District 3 to District 1. 1. Hey, Mike, we got to get some people down in about the middle of the complex to see if we can stop it. Block it up. 10-4. We got this gun going in a minute. We got ladder 4 going up. Let's go over here. Engine 11, engine 11 pump. Royal Command to District 1. 1. me to report to you, third alarm assignment report to you out there. So I'll tell them via radio. What? 3A, all company coming in on the third, if you're already not here. Report to Chief Kelly in front of the building on New Park Avenue. Check 1, engine 8A.
Engine 2, 10-4. Engine 10-4.
Engine 8A, go. On the line on Francis Avenue, can you give us a little bit more pressure? District 3 to District 1. 1. Hey, Mike, we want to try to stop it maybe in the center building if we can get in there and get some 2.5. 10-4, we're going to have a tower set up at the center building, and we'll get 2 deck guns operating right away. 10-4.
Engine 10 is 10-2.
10-4.
Engine 2, 10-2.
10-4, engine 2.
6 driver, ladder 6. New Park Command, fire alarm.
Go ahead.
Mercedes, we need the MDC out here, please.
10-4.
Tell them we're having, the company's having problems with low water pressure. We want them out here to see if they can do anything with the problem. You want to command? District 1 and 14. You coming around, Mike? Coming down King Street. We're waiting on you. 41 to 3A. Go ahead, Eddie. Yeah, Cookie, MDC was out here yesterday. They had trouble with the hydrant on the corner of New Park and at Francis Court there. They couldn't shut it down, but MDC was here yesterday and did something to that hydrant. Okay, but they're having problems with the hydrants on Francis Ave too, Eddie. Simple. District 1 fire alarm.
District 1.
Did you notify East Hartford and West Hartford?
10-4.
Thank you. District 1 and District 2. District 2. You got to use the cards on the desk here, the engine company cards with the numbers on them. Call all the officers first, and make sure Keo's been notified. District 2, 10-4. So work your way around the block and come in from the other side, okay? Come in off King Street. 10-4. District 3 to District 1. 1. Hey, Mike, I need a company to come down the tracks from Hamilton. You got anybody free out there? 10-4, I can send 2. 2, did you copy that? 10-4, watch you off of Hamilton, off and back to Francis Court. Engine 11 to 11 pump. Engine 2 from Hamilton. Along the tracks, lay your feet in line as far as you can. 3-8 fire alarm.
Hey.
Yeah, Mercedes, you better notify Amtrak that we may have to use their tracks there in the rear of the Royal there.
10-4.
41 to 3A. Go ahead, 41. Yeah, Eddie, at Francis and Hamilton, you might want the PD to stop traffic there because the sightseers are starting to come in and fill up the street. All right, I'll try and get hold of that, Sergeant. 3A to fire alarm.
Go ahead.
I don't see him around, but there's a Sergeant Vinci here. Do you think you could have the PD dispatcher notify him that we could use the cruiser at Francis and Hamilton?
10-4.
Royal Command to ladder 5. Ladder 5. doing the best you can. 10-4.